babona mwandu akiba kuzamaya bakwina napo bayinzipela baeze pateni basinya mubaluta mubanyela napo nasile nakomba ntoyumba otiye lwinzi akindu yaka kuno kindu ya batu nina ne baswanela kunizusa mu mwandu mo.
Maria Sepiso and her daughter's living conditions are not appealing. They require urgent and swift measures to be taken. For Bulozi TV, I'm Bruce Masalela in Mongu, Western Province.
Mulonganyana wa Mongu ukalisize misevezi ya kupanga MUKWAKWA OLIBA SIPATELA sa ILUTE kamuhato wa kuchimbula kolo ya pabalelo ya SIPATELA ni kuhakulula nzila mwahala sichava mwasibakase. MUKWAKWA ukeruhela kwa MUKWAKWA wa Old Shoprite kuya kapatela nyana ka ILUTE unanulwa kupangiwa gravel kama sherengi akumafa 700,000 kwacha kuzwa kwa TUSO ya Road Transport and Safety Agents. Mangambolo ni Bulozi TV, baba itelezi buyahi mwa mulonganyana wa Mongu, bo Jones ya Ngandu, batalusize kuli MUKWAKWA wo ukulubela kunolofaza kuzamaya mwasibaka.
For residents of ILUTE and surrounding communities, getting to the local health facility will soon become less of a challenge. The Mongu Municipal Council has commenced the upgrading of a 1-kilometer stretch of road connecting the old Shoprite Road to ILUTE Clinic. The stretch is now being transformed from earth road into gravel road, with the council seeking to make access to the health facility easier, particularly for residents in need of medical services.
As a local authority, we have started working on the 1-kilometer stretch leading to ILUTE Clinic from the old Shoprite Road. So there's been concerns from the public staying around that area that it's hard to reach the clinic, and the local authority using the RATSA fund is now upgrading that road from earth to at least gravel.
As works progress, the council says the focus is not only on improving the condition of the road, but also on making movement to and from the health facility more convenient for the community.
The total cost of the project is costed at about 700,000. Yes, and we are hopeful that with that amount we can do works that will make the road accessible even with small vehicles, taxis, non-four-wheel vehicles. We should be able to access the clinic.
The project is being undertaken with the funding from the Road Transport and Safety Agents at a total cost of 700,000 kwacha. Mike Moya for Bulozi TV News in Mongu District, Western Province.
Baba itelezi LITUTO za BABOTI mwasibaka sa IMWIKO wo Tobias Suvulwa batalusize kuli mungendenge wa LITUTO za BABOTI LIZAMAILE kaswanelo. Kwambola kwa Bulozi TV, bo Tobias batalusize kuli sichaba sa IMWIKO ba mwezi Makande HANDE miba ingire kavelo kaswanelo nikuli bungata babonsize kuba nitakazo nichiseho mwali ketsa tuna zetaha amuho chwalo ni bao bakainga kavelo makuvota lwa pili. Bo Tobias baikelize kususweza sichaba kukamuha kabungata kwa libakazeo bavotela teni ni kuitusa swanelo yabona ya kuketa baiteleli.
Yakuzwala 1st June to 31st July 2026 voter education yezahala countrywide ni mwa wadi mwene ni zina mwa IMWIKO unile ku ambulance chaba handende ifuta kafela ya batu ni bakona kwa ya mukopano no kona kopana nibona natala kuli kibabancha basupali balona abapila ni buyanga kafani bakona ku batini bakona kwa ambulance nibona mwa water education exercise yeneza hala ni batu babonalire kuba ni myaka lonta wetu nakakulira ni mavoters babakavota bapili abangata sirimose American salao no muhali wona kulisita babati taveziruli bawoto hande kuli watu bakaya kwivotera kwivota kwiketera batu babona babata kuli balo bayemero mali bakakaofera lukamuhene kabungata na 13 August lukamuhene kabungata shimbenie mavoters card yaruna ni maina RC yona green national registration card washimbeni riyeni kama polling stations yaruna luyeli yovota mihaluka ya kulokwani lusike lwai shimbaka pakutina kapa kwapala yonali apalo zama lalipati zelufilwe kapa litengeze lufilwe kapa likuwani zelufilwe zero lisieni liyeni fewa nacholo hapa ilivyo na zaruna zero lukatolukona kulitina halukuta mi kona ene lilingusa zama nilona balunze zama angelu ambola nsichava
Vava ipapata kuyemela siva kasalwena mwandu ya milao mwakopano ya Socialist Party vo Reverend Joseph Mukelabai vafile kupo ya kozo mwaliketsa za LILIMO se ili kulumeleza vavoti kupanga bwiketelo vabulukile mwanga mboloni Bulozi TV vo Reverend Mukelabai batalusize kuli batavisizwe kisiva kasalwena asisikava nilipiho za mifilifili ni hakubile mifilifili mwali vakazemu zanaha vo Reverend Mukelabai batalusize kuli sivakasa lwena sinanilika zeng'ata zeo haivalitusiswa hande ni kaswanelo likona kutusa kuchimbula bwino wasichaba mwasivakase.
Politics today, politics tomorrow, just like that. It's part of life, and we chose democracy so that people can be given an opportunity to choose their leaders. So what we're supposed to do is to maintain peace so that people can make informed decisions and also be able to listen to our manifestos so that the right decisions are made. We've heard about pockets of violence here and there, but in our case, our boundaries are set. So we are peaceful, and one good thing is people are appreciating the message that we are preaching, the message that we are sharing with them. So we've come to Lwena to set the captives free. Lwena has a lot. Lwena is endowed with a lot of natural resources. Like you heard the Minyolwi, speak about them. But then these things are not exploited. These things are just sleeping, things. Lwena is a giant. We can have a plantation, sugar plantation there. We can have game parks there. We can have fish ponds there. We can have, agricultural issues, that will uplift people's lives. And this
Lukaishu Musa ainyani mi haluka kuta lukazwela pili matukso ya luna.
Mongo Trades Training Institute, an institution under the Ministry of Technology and Science, is inviting applications from suitably qualified and experienced persons to fill the positions of lecturer in the following fields: Business Department, Lecturer, Communication Skills, Minimum Qualifications and Experience, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better including English and Mathematics, Bachelor of Arts with Education or equivalent with majors in Communication, Linguistics, minimum of 2 years teaching experience, teaching methodology for qualification without education. Knowledge of local languages will be an added advantage. The VETA accreditation is a must. Lecturer, Human Resource Management, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better, including English and Mathematics, degree in Human Resource Management, Public Administration or equivalent, teaching methodology qualification, minimum of 2 years teaching experience. The VETA accreditation is a must. Lecturer, Business Administration, minimum qualifications and experience, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better including English and Mathematics, degree in Business Administration or equivalent, teaching methodology qualification, minimum of 2 years teaching experience. TVETA accreditation is a must. Technical Department, Lecturer, General Agriculture, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better, including English and Mathematics, degree in Agriculture Science, minimum of 2 years teaching experience, teaching methodology. TVETA accreditation is a must. Lecturer, Aquaculture, minimum qualifications and experience, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better, including English and Mathematics, degree or diploma in aquaculture or equivalent, minimum of 2 years teaching experience, teaching methodology. TVETA accreditation is a must. Note: all qualifications must be certified by the Zambia Qualifications Authority. Age limit not more than 45 years. Females are highly encouraged to apply. Application guidelines: qualified and interested candidates should submit a cover letter, curriculum vitae, academic and professional qualifications, NRC, and any other relevant documents to mttijobs@gmail.com, or physically apply by dropping the application at the main campus. Mongo. The last day of receiving applications will be 12th August 2026. The application should be addressed to the principal, Mongo Trades Training Institute, PO Box 910167, Mongo. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted.
Daddy, what is Vapombwe?
Papalo, I know you are still young, you can't remember. They once ruled us.
Is Vapombwe bad?
These people are thugs, criminals. They stole from us. We had no medicine in this country because of these people. They were even able to steal the money that is meant for people like your grandmother, the social cash transfer.
Even money meant for Bambuya.
These people terrorize citizens. People were not freely able to visit the markets. If they found you dressed in the attire that they don't like, people were beaten. Others were even killed.
This is scary. How can you stop Vapombwe from coming back?
We have got the power of the vote. You know, everyone should go and vote on the 13th of August.
On August 13th, vote for Hakainde Hichilema as President of Zambia. And let's continue moving Zambia forward together.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRC and voters card ready.
Count me in.
Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At Healthness Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in Mongo and beyond. We focus on preventive care, offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At Healthness Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 Mongo. Contact us on +260 926521. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. Healthnest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
Baeteleli ba kopano ya Citizens First bo hari kalaba batalusize kuli mutu kaufela wana ha Zambia yanani kapa ya fitelezili limoze 18 ukabe afilwe muvu kimuso haiba kopano yabona ikena famu buso asamulaho wa aliketsa za sunda etaha kwambola kwa babihi ba Makande bo kalaba batalusize kuli tamaiso yabona ikahulula ni kuyahalikolo delivona za muvu ili kunolofaza kolo ya sichaba kuluwa muvu mwanaha batalusize kuli kuluwa muvu ni mapampili kufasilelezo ya mulao kanako yeswana kulumeleza sichaba kuitusa lituwelo zabona kuchimbula bwino ni kwekeza kwa kuhula kwa sifumu
onsho mwina Zambia afuila kwa title deed LOE program Ministry of Lands na Office of the President Honorable President tukalabo mbela pamo to ensure that ama title deeds every Zambian must have a title deed. But Rwanda population ya 120 million. Muno Zambia na 120 million. Why is it that Rwanda aba kwata title deeds wa 18.5 million? Kuno ku Zambia kwata title deeds mulife 2.5 million. Aba shara no title deeds. Chalo cha msango shanicho. Pantu amkwata title deeds na funding fee. You can fund your own economy just using title deeds. So to allow some government. Ngaba kupela rage yafela kupela nempanga. Ba kupela rage yafela kupela nempanga. Pantu Zambia ikalamba. Zambia is 752,000 square kilometers. Chikalamba chi Zambia chino. Ba Rwanda 27,000 square kilometers. And yet, when we come into government, we are going to ensure that people have title deeds.
Vocha ziva balitava za wiepi yona mining vo Edward Simukonda bamamezi kuhula kwa kolo ya misevezi mwana ha Zambia mwaliluko la wiepi asamulaho waliteko za butale mwanaha ze litile asamulaho waliteko za butale linanuhile kuzwa $12,000 per ton mwakweli ya sope silimo sa 2026 kuya $14,100 per ton mwakweli ya August silimo onase kufakala avo kwa zero pilie mangambolo ni Bulozi TV vosi Mukonda batolokile butokwa bwa kwekeza buima bwa butale.
The ordinary person or ordinary citizens don't see the trickle effect to whatever government would say when it comes to copper. Reason is simple. We produce the copper and we export it into bars or cathodes or whatever you may call it in whatever form. Sometimes it's concentrates as well. That deprives the local ordinary citizen to see anything, tangible. Reason being that the guy hasn't got a job. Very few people are having access to seeing whatever is happening. So it's a very big problem. So what needs to be done is that we need to expand our production industry in terms of copper. We need to start making copper wires, which automatically will start creating employment for the locals. We need to start building our own motors, which is also going to create employment and start boosting local revenue. There's so many other things that can be done. If the trickle effect cannot be felt by adding such value to the copper, the trickle effect to any ordinary Zambia will be felt. It will be very, very easy because then you have a lot of people getting employed. You have a lot of people actually making certain stuff. Even not only talking about copper, let's try and make our own batteries. There's so many things that need to be done. The simple thing is we just need to have value add. We should respect value add. Once that is done, then people start feeling the trickle effect from the prices of copper and all these things. Without that, people think, whoever is talking is just making noise. Very, very important that we sit down as a nation and seriously consider to expand companies like Zamefa, even grow bigger companies, bigger than Zamefa, in different towns.
Luitumezi likandelale likoni kulufitsa kwa mafielelezo atukuseyaluna miluka ikupuza hape litoho zenepanga Makande. Musali wa LILIMO 33 YAKULA UKUPILE TUSO. MUKWAKWA OLIBA SIPATELA sa ILUTE UKALILE KULUKISWA. LITUTO za BABOTI MWIKO LIZAMAILE HANDE. mwakona kupuha TUSO ye nili TUSO za luna kaufela fa TopStar channel 120 ili mwalipaka za Mongu, Lumulunga, Nalolo, Lusaka, Chongwe, Chilanga, libaka zemu mwasenanga Kalabo, Lufusa Mane nilibaka zeinzi mabapa. Kapa mwakona kulufumana falike pela luna la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV. Fapila bomanjinela kina Mike Moya Minili Kozo.